Hey guys, welcome to Gearfacts. Today I've got a distortion pedal with a bit of a difference. It's the tube-driven Akai Shred-o-matic D1. The difference with this pedal is that it has a mixture of tube and diode distortion, and then combinations of those together. And the part I really like is the expression pedal, which can just be a volume controller, or it can be specifically a drive level controller, and I'll demonstrate more of that right now. Let's hear it on default settings. Alright, so you see that pedal taking us more from an overdrive kind of sound to a full thrust distortion sort of sound. Which didn't sound amazing there on its default settings, but we'll play with these controls a little bit and see what we can get out of this, because it is quite an interesting pedal. Starting with the tube distortion, I'm going to raise the treble, reduce the low a little bit, increase the drive. First of all, I'll set it as a volume pedal. Nothing unexpected there. There's also an off setting in the middle, so we have no function on our expression. Then the drive level. Right, so the more you turn that drive control down, the greater the distance between expression pedal back and expression pedal forward. So you could go from a nice soft riff like this an idea of how this pedal can be applied in a song. It could be a really dramatic fade in between perhaps your softer verse sounds and then flying headlong into a full-on chorus without just flicking a switch. If you want to do it sort of Smashing Pumpkins style and fade into a chorus and just let it explode on that one beat, then you would do it something like this. Same with solos as well. So we're just playing along in our verse, and then you want to fade into your solo-y kind of sound. So let's unplug everything now and take a closer look at the features. The heart of it all, we've got what is probably the main draw card about this pedal. I'm assuming that's a 12AX7 tube inside there. It sounds really good and does give you that nice saturated, distorted feeling that tubes are supposed to give you. Over here we've got our 4 settings. As I explained before, you've got your tube setting, diode, and then a couple of combinations of the two. The usual controls at the top, we've got output level, bit of equalization there, and the drive control. And like I said, the lower that drive control, the bigger the sweep that this expression pedal is going to give you, because it will take you from wherever you set your drive right up to absolute maximum. And it's a good system. Has a nice feel on the foot. I'll unplug the power and take a look around the back. How simple is that? Signal in, signal out, and power. Akai Shred-o-matic D1. It's a nice pedal. It's got a nice distortion sound. It's very, very rock. Reasonably heavy build. Feels like it's made out of a solid lump of metal. And if you've got the kind of playing style or the kind of strategy that I was talking about in a song that needs a bit of fade on the gain control of your distortion, then this pedal is ideal.